This is a short tutorial for how you can access our online scheduler to create appointments for one-to-one tutoring in subjects such as writing, math, and accounting. I'm going to start on our Clackamas tutoring website, www.clackamas.edu/tutoring, and use the Writing Center as my first example. When I click on our online schedule link, you'll notice this brings me to a different website, MyWC Online. If you've not created an account on MyWC Online, then you'll need to click on Register for an account. If you have already created an account previously, you can use your email address to log in. CCC recommends that you use your clackamas.edu email account to register, but you can use a secondary email if you prefer. To register for an account, click on Register for an account. Enter in your email, which will become your username. Type your first and last name, your student ID, which can be found on myclackamas.edu, and complete the rest of the form. Once you have successfully created an account, you are able to log in with your email and password. You are then able to make appointments for the Writing Center, Math Lab, or accounting tutors. Take note that the white boxes are open, light blue are already reserved by other students, and yellow are your existing appointments. Please read the notes in each of the subject areas carefully to understand how many appointments you are eligible to create. In most cases, you're able to make appointments weeks in advance. If you have any further questions, please visit us at www.clackamas.edu/tutoring or email us at tutoring@clackamas.edu.